True wisdom begins when a person honestly accepts that there are still many things in life left to learn and understand. A meaningful life is created by questioning your thoughts, improving your character, and learning from your mistakes every single day. Real happiness does not come from wealth or power, but from living honestly, peacefully, and with a good heart. A wise person spends more time listening carefully to others than speaking proudly about their own achievements and opinions. Knowledge becomes valuable only when it helps you become kinder, wiser, and more helpful toward other people around you. The strongest people are not always physically powerful, but those who can control their anger, desires, and negative emotions. If you want respect from others, first learn to respect yourself through honest actions and good behavior in daily life. A calm and disciplined mind helps people make better decisions even during difficult situations and stressful moments in life. The best way to improve society is by improving your own character, actions, habits, and attitude towards other people. A person who keeps learning throughout life will always remain mentally young, curious, and open to new ideas. True friendship is built on trust, honesty, loyalty, and helping each other grow into better human being every day. Good habits developed during youth often decide the future success, happiness, and character of a person's entire life. A wise person never stops asking questions because curiosity and learning are the foundation of wisdom and understanding. People often chase material things, but real peace comes from a learned heart and a satisfied mind. The quality of your thoughts slowly shapes your character, decisions, habits, and the direction of your future life. A good person chooses truth and honesty even when lying seems easier or more profitable in difficult situations. Wisdom grows stronger when people learn from their failures instead of blaming others for every mistake they make. Real success should be measured by good character, kindness, and honesty rather than only money, fame, or popularity. An educated mind does not blindly follow